So now let's talk about location services inside of Microsoft Windows 10. In order to enable or disable location services, you go on to Windows right here and you go to settings, and over here from the settings you can go to privacy right over here, and from privacy you can go to location. Here is where you can either turn on or off your location services, and in my case it is actually turned on. So let's say if you want to totally turn off the location services for maybe privacy concern, you can actually change this out right over here and turn this off. This turns off the location for all of the users in my computer if you're running an administrator account. Let me just turn this back on. And this says allow apps to access your location. So this actually allows your particular user. So if you turn this off, then none of the apps are allowed to use location services. And you can also turn this on right over here to actually let the apps allow it. Over here is the default location. So if you actually were to press set default right over here, it'll show you your current location if you have the ZPS installed. Otherwise, what you can do is you can set for any of the places, like say for example, if you want to set your default location to London or Sydney. So if I were to type in Sydney, and then if I were to do a change right over here, then it'll actually set it out onto a default location right over here. This is the default location, as you can see right here. And if you were to change this out, then you can choose a location which is on your map and so forth right from over here. We're going to see more about how the map works in the next lesson. Here is the location history. So if you want to clear out the details on where the device has been, you can simply click on clear and it will clear out the location history. And here on the bottom side, you can see the apps which are actually accessing your location. So you can turn on and off maps right here. So usually you want your maps to access location, and you can turn off maybe Cortana or something. I'm just going to turn it on. So depending on your privacy concern, you can turn on and off the location. And in the next lesson, we're going to see on how to work around with the Maps application, which comes bundled with Microsoft Windows 10.